Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can guys basically share your Spotify rap on WhatsApp, Instagram story or wherever you want to share. Simply come on your Spotify application and then over here come to your home page. You guys should be able to see your Spotify rap over here. And once you guys tap on it, you guys will be taken over here. Simply click on listen to 2022 highlights and it's going to open up your Spotify rap. Then from over here, all that you guys need to do is simply click on any one of these rap playlists and then simply click on these three dots which are right next to your download button and then click on these three dots, click on share and then after that simply copy the link or you guys can simply share it on WhatsApp, Instagram stories, messages, messenger, feed stories, Twitter, Snapchat or any other platform you want. So that's how you guys can basically show it anywhere. Simply tap on the platform you want to share it, whether it be Instagram. Then after that you guys can just simply share your rap. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.